we are going to see our project, which is object detection alarm with Tinkercad. So go to Tinkercad first, click on the first link, then click on create and circuits. This project is used to detect the object near the sensor and give an alarm sound using a buzzer. So we are using a ultrasonic sensor to measure distance. If any object comes closer than 40 centimeter, then the buzzer turns on, and if the object is far away, the buzzer stays off. We are making for our project. So in the daily life, we are using object detection alarm for parking sensors in car, security alarm, and obstacle detection for robots. These are the daily examples where we used object detection alarm. So let's take the component to make our project. So first is Arduino Uno, then breadboard, then we need buzzer. First for buzzer, so these are components that we using in our project. So basically, Arduino Uno is the brain of our project because it controls the ultrasonic sensor and the buzzer. It decides when buzzer should turn on or off. Then we are using here ultrasonic sensor, which is used to measure the distance. It sends sound waves and receives them back after hitting an object. Using this time, it calculates how far the object is. This is a buzzer and it is used to give an alarm sound. When an object comes close, the buzzer turns on, and if no object is nearby, then buzzer remains off. Then breadboard is used to make the connection without soldering. And we are using here jumper wires to connect our components. So let's start the connection. So for ultrasonic sensor, VCC is going to 5 voltage, ground, then click pin is connected to pin 4 and echo pin is connecting to pin 3. And for the buzzer, we are connecting the positive pin to pin number 13 and our negative pin of buzzer connecting to the ground. So this is our overall connection for our project. When ultrasonic sensor, this sensor sends sound waves, then sound hits the object and comes back. Arduino calculates the distance. If distance is less than 40 centimeter, then buzzer turns on, and if the distance is more than 40 centimeter, the buzzer stays off. So move towards the code. So this is the code we using here for our project. So first, click pin is connected to pin 4 of Arduino. Then echo pin is connected to pin number 3 of Arduino. And here buzzer is connected to pin number 13. This makes the code easy to understand and easy to change later. Then integer duration and integer distance. So duration will store the time taken by sound to travel, and distance will store the calculated distance in the centimeter. These values will change again and again, so we use the variables. Then our while setup. So while function runs only one time when Arduino is powered on. Here, here, trick pin sends signal, so it is output. Echo pin receives signal, so it is input. And buzzer gives sound, so it is also an output. Then the serial begin is start serial monitor, so we can see distance on the screen. Then while loop, so loop function run again and again continuously in our project. So for the digital write, trick high, so trick pin is set high to send ultrasonic sound wave. Then we are gave here a small pause of 10 milliseconds. Then trick pin is set low to object sending the signals. This create an ultrasonic pulse. Then duration is equal to pulse in echo high. So pulse in function waits for echo pin to go high. It returns time in milliseconds. That time is stored in duration. Then distance. This line converts time into distance. Sound speed is equal to 0.034 centimeter per millisecond and multiply duration with 0.034 divided by 2 because sound travels to object and back. Final result is distance in centimeter. Then serial print and serial print in. So serial print distance prints the value and serial print ln centimeter prints unit and moves to next line. This helps us to see the distance in the real time. Then we used here if else condition. So this condition will check the object is less than 40 centimeter or not. If the object is 40 centimeter, then buzzer should turn on, and if it stays on and it stays for 500 milliseconds, then buzzer turns off. This creates a beep sound. Then else condition. So if distance is greater than 40 centimeter, then buzzer remains off. It gives the delay of 100 milliseconds. So this is how our code will execute for our project. So let's see the output. So you can see here how the buzzer is collecting the sound. So Arduino is continuously measures distance using an ultrasonic sensor. When an object comes closer than 40 centimeters, the buzzer gives an alarm. This is how our project object detection alarm works using Arduino. Thank you.